All right, Miles. Now we're going to do our red word for this week. And the red word this week is the word bye. Can you say bye?
Bye.
Okay, let's count the sounds in bye. So we're going to stretch it out. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Can you count, or can you say it with me? B, I. How many sounds was that?
2.
2. Good job. 2 sounds. And let's talk about the word bye. I looked it up. It's an old English word, and it means, and it means near, in, during, about, around. So this is the kind, because there's different kinds of bye. This is the kind of bye that is like, your drink is by the cheese cracker. So that's this kind of bye. Can we talk about how we spell this word?
Yes.
Okay, our first sound, oh, I should have left the tokens. The first sound in the word bye is B. And how do you spell B?
B.
What letter is that?
B.
B, good job. So we've got B. And then our second sound is I.
Y.
It is a Y, good job. In English, words cannot end in the letter I, just like they can't end in a V, because I know you learned that. So they have to end in something else. So one of the choices is the letter Y. So Y can take on the I sound. So in this word, it's spelled B-Y, bye. So this is, like I said, this is like the water bottle is by the rabbit, or the computer is by the phone. It could also be, this book was written by Mo Willems. Yeah. So, we're going to use, I'm going to move this out of the way and also find the red crayons. Uh-oh. Oh. I'm like, where's our screen? Whoopsies. Okay, so we're going to get our red words set up. Which one do you want? The broken one?
Both.
I've got to have one too. You want the big one? Thank you. Okay, so we're going to write it on our paper, which in the kindergarten ones, they're already on there, so we just trace them. Oh my goodness, can you hold your horses a little bit? So we're going to spell B-Y, bye. And I like these because, look, it tells you how many sounds. It shows you on there the dots, so you can see that this word has 2 sounds. So you did a good job. Remember B. Ooh, you did a great job because I can feel how bumpy it is. Can you feel it?
I can feel it right here.
For that one? Well, you did a great job. So, good job. You made the B start and the attic all the way at the roof, come down to the floor, and then the B is inside the house. And then the Y starts at the roof, comes down to the floor. Then the other side comes down and digs all the way down into the basement. You did a very nice job. Okay, now I won't make you stand up, but we are going to have our papers in front of us, or you can hold it in your hand. Which do you choose? Hand? Okay, let's put your crayon down, remember. So pick it up with this hand. And remember, where does this hand go? Up on your shoulder. Good job. Awesome. Because you want to be looking at your paper so you can spell it. Can you watch me first?
Yes.
B-Y, bye. Can you do it with me? B-Y, bye. Oh, that was excellent. Let's do it 2 more times. B-Y, bye. 1 more time. B-Y, bye. Excellent. Now you're going to set it down. Make sure it's back on top of your screen, and then you're going to trace it B-Y, by. And we're going to do it 3 times. Do you want me to do it first, or do you want to do it with me all 3 times?
With you.
With me? Okay, let's do it. Ready? B-Y, by. Awesome. 2 more times. B-Y, by. Awesome. 1 more time. B-Y, by. Excellent. Now, we'll put our screen on top and do the exact same thing. This is my imaginary screen. Okay, ready? B-Y, by. Good job.
B-Y, by.
One more time.
B-Y, by.
Perfect. Now we're going to flip it. At school, I would flip it to the back, but at home, we don't have a double-sided printer. I would like you on number 1 to write the word by. Excellent. Now you may write it on 2 and on 3. I lost my red crayon. There it is.
You're already done?
Well, I mean, yeah. Okay. Now, excuse me. Now we're going to use our pencil and we're going to write a sentence. I need a pencil too. Or a pen. Thank you. Here, I'm going to use this pen. Okay. Because that pencil was very dull, so. Okay. Can you think of a sentence with the word by? And if not, I can help you brainstorm. Okay. How about the TV is by the wall? Okay. I'm going to write it and then you can copy mine, okay?
Okay.
All right. Right. Okay. Now, can you copy mine?
Done.
There you go. And then use your red crayon and underline the word by. Good job. And will you read it with me? I'll read it first and then you read it with me. Okay? The TV is by the wall. Ready? The TV is by the wall. Excellent job. And cups, you got a capital letter, you got spaces for understanding, you've got punctuation, and then all of your words are spelled correctly. So you hit it on cups. High five. Excellent job.